Hi, welcome to Math 2 with Support. This is period 4 math, and I'm Miss Levine. Welcome. So I'm going to go through what our class looks like on Canvas. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over to the dashboard here, and we're going to go to Math 2, High School Math 2 Support, period 4 Levine. Now, the information is right here. Period 4 virtual class starts at 11:45. Here's our Zoom meeting link, and here is our meeting ID and passcode if the link does not work. Please note attendance is taken at the beginning of class, so please be there at 11:45. And your video must be on and you must be participating in class. Just like if you were in school, you come to class on time, you sit in your seat, and you work in groups if you need to work in groups. You work alone if you need to work alone, but you're participating, and I expect that to still be the case when we're online. I want to say at this point, I'm really impressed with most of the students. I can see that they're taking notes. I can see that they're listening and they're asking questions and that they're trying their hardest to get this material through this virtual experience. Most of the students, I am just really appreciative of how respectful they are and how cooperative they are in this experience. There are some students that still need to get online every single day. Sometimes we're still having some technical issues, but overall, I think we're doing a really good job. I also want to say that this class is a year-long class, so hopefully we have some time in this class to get back into the classroom and re-go over some of these skills and get to work together in the classroom, in groups, if we're allowed, if health regulations and the current situation allows us to, but at least be in the class so that we can use the board and use manipulatives and use other materials other than being online. I'm looking forward to that, and I think this class has the opportunity to do that. But while we're online, we are going to make the best of it. So let me go over this Canvas. Here's the home page, and you can see here's my email address. If I go to student view, this is what the students see. They see the same thing. And here's all of the links that we will be using. The module 1 goes to the modules that we will be doing. You'll see right there. We are on Wednesday 9/9 today. We are multiplying radicals. Tomorrow we'll be dividing radicals. If you go back, then we have Delta Math. That goes straight to Delta Math. This is my login, but you'll see that each student will go to their own Delta Math account. At this point, they should all have a Delta Math account. If they don't, then we need to know that so they can get on Delta Math. We'll also be using quizzes. Khan Academy is more of a resource for recorded videos on any topic that they want to look at, need review on. And there's your syllabus, grades, and recorded lessons. Let's go to the syllabus. Click on that. And it takes us to our Math 2 with Support syllabus. You can read through this. This first semester, second semester goes through what we're going to be learning in Math 2. So we are still on radicals. We're doing all sorts of simplifying radicals, multiplying, dividing radicals. We're going to be doing adding, subtracting. And we'll get into the Pythagorean theorem. Then we'll be doing polynomials and factoring into quadratic functions, which might sound really scary, but it's actually super cool. I love quadratic functions. We're going to be graphing quadratic functions, factoring quadratic functions, solving quadratic functions, modeling quadratic functions. So this is all up through January, is all of these 4 units through January, okay? Then after January into the spring, our second semester is some more geometry and trigonometry, area, surface area, and volume, and then into probability and statistics. You can read through the rest of this syllabus. And the one thing I did want to cover is the cheating and copying. So it's really accessible and really tempting to cheat or copy because you're online and who knows anyway. But my main goal is to increase confidence in students in their math skills. And if you're just copying or cheating, even if you're getting the credit, you're not increasing your knowledge, understanding, or your confidence in math. You're only reinforcing the fact that you have to cheat to do it. So I really want you to know where I'm coming from with that. It's not just about getting the assignment done. It's about really understanding the math. And so if you're having trouble, I'd rather you email me and ask for some tutoring rather than trying to cheat or copy off some website. Okay. Um, the rest of this deals with attendance and assessments and student responsibilities, which is all pretty standard for a syllabus, but please take a look. Okay, let's go back to our modules. So students should go to modules when they look to see what we're doing that day, and then go down to the day's assignment. So today was multiplying radicals. Yesterday we also multiplied radicals, but it was different today. So I'll go to yesterday's and I'll show you 2 days assignments. So yesterday's multiplying radicals, we had a warm-up video recorded, and then we had a worksheet that they should have in their worksheet packet. Then we did number 13 and 22, and we did that. I had students help out, and we did those together using the doc camera, which is a separate tool where I can show the work in real time. And so we did that. And then we watched a video for more notes. And I believe their homework was number 13 to 22. And then they had to upload their assignment, which is right here, submit assignment. And when you submit assignment, you want to upload a file. There is a way to do this from your cell phone, which I understand is a lot easier. And so under announcements, I'm going to just leave this for a second. Under announcements is uploading on Canvas app. It is a YouTube video, which helps you understand how to upload through the Canvas app. I think this is the same video, okay? So if you need help uploading using your cell phone, this is the video to watch. Let's go back to our modules. And let's look at a different day. Let's look at what we did today. And again, we watched a video to go over the rules, and we took some notes. We went over some more examples. That was using the document camera that I did in real time. And then we set up a student account on Quizzes using this link. And here's the link again, and here's a class code. Because again, we're having some technical issues. Certain computers work slower than others. And all I wanted to do was get everyone on Quizzes so they could do the assignment tonight. And then the assignment tonight was on Quizzes, and it's multiplying radicals. And then for the assignment, you had to upload your written work here. So again, the assignment was on Quizzes, but you had to go up to submit assignment and upload a picture of the work that you did, because I want to see that you really did the work. You didn't just plug it into a computer or ask someone else what it was or guess, right? I wanted to see you doing the work that we learned how to do in class. So that's basically a synopsis of what we do every day. We go to the day. We are video chatting or going over skills that we need to learn. We're taking notes, and then we are looking at the assignments, and we're looking at any videos that I've posted. Here's tomorrow's. Any videos that I've posted to help. We're talking to each other. We're going to start doing some more interactive videos and Flipgrid. We also use the side comment chat so that we can talk to each other through the chat box while we are videoing. And that's about it. So if you have any questions, I'm going to go back to the home. Here's my email address, okay? What I would suggest is ask your student how they're doing, and then ask them to show you their work. See what they're actually writing down. Are they just kind of sitting back and watching what's going on? Or are they writing down notes and trying the problems? Okay, that's the key thing here. I want them to be trying problems. I want them to be taking notes and gaining that confidence in math. Okay, I've been having a really good time with these students so far. As I said, many of them are really involved and participate and unmute themselves and give me the answers and help each other out, and I think that's great so far. If you have a student that hasn't been active, please give me an email and we can work together to see how we can get them back on track. Okay, thank you so much and have a good evening.